Let's walk through this really quickly. This is the best way for you to get a good idea what the project does. So the user, they sign up to Cerily, install their apps, and then as part of that sign up process, they just connect it to their Facebook, Instagram. You've seen it before when you join an app or whatever, and you can connect it to your Facebook. Basically, you connect your Cerily account to your Facebook and your other social accounts. And what that does, it straight away starts capturing everything you post and everything you do into your truth ledger, into Cerily. No need to go into the technical details about that so far, but basically it keeps a track of what you actually did and said. You can, especially if you're a notary public, if you're maybe Elon Musk or the Prime Minister or whatever, the President, a person in the public eye that says stuff and may have things faked about you. For example, we're already seeing videos of Elon Musk promoting products that he never had any involvement in. We're also, fearing what would happen if a good deep fake AI network made a fake of, say, the president declaring war on Russia or something and spread that across all of the social platforms. I think you could cause a knee-jerk reaction, So it's a real problem. It's affecting families, ordinary people for identity theft and identity frauds, YouTubers and other social, celebrities, movie stars, philanthropists, anyone in the public eye, politicians. It's being used to sway elections and things like that. So our customers may want to connect their news feed, interviews that they take, any other capture medium into Cerily and sort of add everything they do to their truth ledger. And then, a little bit of marketing here, relax while Cerily keeps you secure. So from the Cerily side, what happens? I've said here, Cerily is your dash cam for life. So imagery, videos, stuff you say, stuff you do, gets captured by Cerily. So Cerily captures what you publish, runs it through a technology called natural language processing AI, which is an AI that converts that can convert any language into a non-ambiguous representation of that language. So basically, those videos, imagery, and text it takes, and it works out what it says, and converts it into a tangible, understood language model. And then it basically just saves it on your truth ledger, which is sticks it in the database, so to speak. It does some privacy stuff on it, it does some security stuff on it, and then it records it. You get an interface to that. So if there's stuff that you don't want to go in there that you posted, or stuff that you specifically do want to go in there that you posted, you have an interface to be able to manage that truth ledger. And then Cerily provides APIs for enables other people to know your truth. So once you've got that audit trail, that personal audit trail of what you did, you can provide that to third-party services. So we're working on integrating with all of the social networks, the police. If you go to court, someone's claiming you did something that you didn't, just like your dash cam saves you, no, I wasn't in the wrong, Your Honor. He pulled out and T-boned me. It's exactly like that. So someone claims that you did something, anything you do has already been captured in here, and you can show that. So someone's inquiring, it goes up to the cloud, Cerily checks it, comes back, no, he didn't say that, he didn't do that. Someone else is inquiring, goes up to the cloud, yes, he did that. So basically, it's your security umbrella, and that's very powerful for a lot of applications. Wrongdoers, what do? Criminals and miscreants make fake content of you and your family, portraying things you didn't do and things you didn't say about topics you don't support. Also, financial exploits, including identity theft, and defacing content, including embarrassing imagery. So this is all the stuff they kind of make and try to do with the deep fake and voice cloning technology. Tries to upload that bombshell to the cloud, where it would show up in Facebook for your family and everything to see, and get circulating, potentially even go viral. The cloud queries the Cerily cloud. Hey, what is this? Cerily comes back with, no, that's rubbish. It didn't happen. And that enables these inquirers to reject that post or that claim that that our ugly little friend here is trying to, uh, you know, push up to the web or to the courts or to wherever it might be about you. So this is a beautiful thing about it. It enables decision makers and fact checkers. What's a fact checker? You hear about them all the time. Because there's so much rubbish content going around, there's now independent and also business and also people like Facebook. They have their own fact checkers and fact checker networks. Basically, they want to know if something's real, and they employ fact checkers to work that out. So Cerily really enables the fact checkers to be able to tell that. So we have various classes of fact checkers and decision makers. We've got human, machine, and AI. So it's not always a human doing investigating and saying, oh yeah, that is or isn't true, or may not be true. It's sometimes digital processes, code, and sometimes it's AIs as well. AIs are in everywhere now. So keep in mind that AI, just like any tool, is not a bad thing. It's a really great thing. It's a great advancement that humankind, and I think a natural advancement of humankind as well. But just like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. So it depends whose hands it's in, and that's where Cerily comes in. So the human, machine, and AI investigators query Cerily cloud programmatically, or just literally log in and link to the post with Cerily, upload the post to Cerily, say, hey, did this happen? Is this a real claim? Cerily checks the truth ledgers and comes back and says yes or no. So basically, Cerily enables fact checkers to know the truth. To properly advise upstream services, so the upstream services being the social networks, news channels, police, the military, social news and enforcement agencies, use the truth about you to make informed decisions so they can fairly represent you.